In these last 2 days, I've had the opportunity to work in two secondary schools in Northampton and one in Birmingham, and it was working with Year 12 students and Year 13 students. It was to help them develop a champion mindset. It was to help them see themselves in a powerful way, to not have the self-doubt, the fears hold them back from achieving their dreams and most of all passing their A levels. Because so many of these students were crippled with fear, crippled with self-doubt about their future career, about who they wanted to be in the future and if they could actually achieve it. And to me, that was quite a little bit sad to see because you know what? So many young people are crying out for help. And sometimes parents, teachers, mentors, other people they have around them solely focus on their academic ability without remembering what about their mental health? Where is their mind? Where are they mentally? How are they coping with change? How are they coping with, growth, progress, fear, failure, doubts, procrastination? And even though I'm not saying that people don't check in with them, sometimes people forget to ask those key questions. How are you really doing mentally? Are you okay? I shared stories of young people that I knew who had unfortunately taken their lives due to stress, due to not wanting to be here anymore. And students were resonating with my message to the point they were coming up to me, saying thank you so much for what I had shared. It had really given them a different perspective. And I reminded them of their worth, that they were amazing and that no number on a piece of paper could dictate their worth, could make them feel even more worthy, that only they could give that to themselves by putting their best foot forward, by showing up every single day, even when they felt afraid, to ask the questions, to not feel afraid of looking stupid in front of their peers. Because you know what? You never look stupid when you ask the question. It's the person who's not asking the question that looks stupid because they're pretending to know it all. And I really had to come from that place of encouragement, and it was amazing. And it was so good to see teachers interact and get involved with the session as well. And I really want to salute teachers because you know what? It takes a lot to be a teacher. It takes a lot to really encourage students in this generation, in this day and age right now where social media sometimes is dominating their lives. So many students are comparing themselves to online controlled content. And I had to remind them, listen, you don't know what anybody's going through. They could be painting their pain in pouting. Is it pouting? What's the word I'm trying to find here? In pouting. Yeah, so I don't know where I got the word pouting from, but in pouting, in sitting on rental cars, acting like they own it all, but they don't. But nobody knows that, right? Because we live in a world where everything seems perfect and ready-made and amazing, and it's actually not like that. And it was great to just give them that reality check that, listen, you are not on your own, but you know what? You owe it to yourself to do your best. You owe it to yourself to show up in your greatness. You owe it to yourself to know that you are amazing and you have everything you need. And these were the messages that I shared with these young people. I left home really excited to share and to be of service because I love working with young people as much as I love working with women because we get to make a difference, right? And that is what we're here to do. And I just want to really, really shout out to all the coaches, the therapists, the counsellors, people that are helping other people create change in their lives. I love you. You're amazing. Keep on doing what you're doing because we are changing lives. We are making a difference every single day with our gifts, with our life experiences. It's all relevant. It all matters. It all counts. Because you know what? If you can save one person from not giving up on their dream, from believing in themselves, amazing. So keep on doing what you're doing because you matter. What you do makes a difference. Your work makes a difference. Keep showing up. Same thing I said to those students. Keep showing up in your greatness, in your brilliance, and go for your dreams. Do not limit yourself based on what you cannot see. Don't worry about the how. Do your best. Focus on what you want and it will happen. And that is what I shared. I just really wanted to share that today with someone, you know. Believe in yourself. I don't care how old you are, how young you are. You have something to offer this world. Keep on going. Know you are worthy. You are awesome. You are great. Keep on shining as you. Be you. Stay in your lane. Go for your dreams. And don't let nobody tell you that you cannot change your life and that you can't make your dreams come true. Because you can. Yes, you can. I'm telling you, believe me, you can. Keep going. Have an amazing evening and an awesome weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye.